Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I want to tell you how to make a lemon tea. Okay, before that I want to introduce myself. My name is JihanR. And start it. The ingredients are lemon and tea and hot water and ice cube, and next sugar. Let's go. First, put some water in the glass. Second, remain the tea bag on the glass. And next, put some 2 teaspoons of sugar. And fourth, cut the lemon and squeeze it into glass. And squeeze. And mix well. And six, put 2 or 3 pieces ice cube. And lemon tea is ready to drink. And thank you for watching. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe.
First,
Halo guys,
di apa lah di
Everyone.
Habis itu apa masukin
remind, kan lupa remind the tea bag